everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Danny Ray Lives. This week we are heading up to the UP, the Upper Peninsula of Michigan there, Marquette, where I am from. And I'm going to show Ray around. So we're going to do a bunch of things up north. We're going to see Tahquamenon Falls, jump off of Black Rocks, hike Sugarloaf Mountain, and a couple other fun things. So thanks for tuning in. Like the video if you guys like it, and subscribe if you aren't already, and enjoy. Oh man.
Why weren't you recording that?
You want to explain what? I turned the camera on after. Oh my god. Woo! Drop the camera. I turned the camera on after he's done ranting about all the vans in the parking lot.
We need to start working on your skills here.
Whatever, my skills are just fine.
You gotta feel those moments just coming.
So Ray wanted to skip this place, and once we got in, he noticed there was a brewery here. So we're gonna go get a beer. Who's laughing now?
Yeah, get drunk.
Yeah. He's excited now that there's beer involved. I didn't know there was a brewery here though. That's pretty sweet. Also, look at we parked next to the other van.
You got your phone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why? For my ID. Oh, look at Ellie. He's so
yeah,
cute.
I need my ID here.
Oh yeah. Look at Ellie. So cute. We parked next to the other van. Like, yay. To people.
Oh, the brewery?
Yeah, so we went into the brewery and got to get a beer. They only have 2 beers on tap.
2 beers.
Been open since '96.
Peach wheat ale and a raspberry wheat ale, and I gotta make it right.
White.
They've been open since 1996. A brewery at one of the biggest state parks in the UP.
Yeah, biggest waterfall east of the Mississippi.
Tahquamenon Falls.
Good
and
pronounce.
so he had 2 beers on tap. So we tried them both, and we decided to go with the peach wheat ale.
We decided to give it a chance, even though they both kind of tasted not so good.
Better the 2. Seatbelt.
Oh, sorry, Ellie. Ellie doesn't like when we don't buckle up. She likes to be obnoxious.
And
okay.
So we ordered the peach wheat ales, and this young man grabs a pitcher out from underneath the sink and pours us 2 beers.
I was a little confused, but I wasn't gonna say anything. I thought maybe it was really fresh or something, and he had just put it in there. I don't know. Yeah,
and I just started working at a brewery back home, the Ludington Bay Brewery.
Ludington Bay, everyone.
Yeah. So this place has been open since 1996. They got 2 beers on tap. The guy poured it out of a pitcher from underneath the sink.
And it was watery. Take a look.
And it was watery.
It was watery. It was really
not
watery.
Good beer at all.
It was weird. It was not very good at all. So we didn't pay for it or finish it. I felt bad.
I told Danny.
I felt bad doing that.
For me outside.
I thought we were gonna dine and dash, and I got nervous.
Oh.
I went to get money out of the ATM. I was gonna pay. I was gonna drink it, honestly, just because I don't want to waste it. No, it wasn't good. So if anyone's in the area, we don't really recommend that brewery, the Tahquamenon Falls Brewery Pub. The food might be good. We don't know. The food might be good.
Try it for yourself.
But not very good. No. Oh well. Better luck next time. I'm taking him to the Veerling in Marquette, which is where a brewery I used to work at. So he'll be okay. We made it.
OJ did a lot of cutting.
What was that?
Nothing.
We made it finally. Ray's grumpy. We're gonna go in and take a shower. We made it to my mom's house. This is my mom's house. You guys have seen it before. What?
It's just put me on blast. Ray's grumpy.
Ray's grumpy. It's okay. Good morning, everybody. So today is kind of our main day in Marquette, and so we've got a lot of things that I want to try to do. I want to hike Dead River and jump off Sugarloaf, which I know you guys have seen me do, but I have a drone now, so I'm trying to get some cool drone shots of it. I want to jump off Black Rocks just because that's kind of a staple of Marquette, and if Ray doesn't do that, he's gonna regret it. Well, I'm gonna regret him not doing it, I guess. Is a better way to say it. And then also, we're trying to hike up Sugarloaf Mountain, which I know you guys have seen, but again, I have a drone now, so I want to get some drone shots of it. So we're just packing up stuff, getting the van ready, and then we're gonna head out and we are going to walk around the art fair. So that's gonna be the first thing we do. Go get a shoop from Stucco's, cause it's always fun to start drinking early, right? And then probably do Sugarloaf, and then after Sugarloaf, we'll probably do Black Rocks, and then go up to Sugarloaf, and then after Sugarloaf do Dead River. It's kind of a lot, it's gonna be a big day, but I think we can do it. So let's get started.
Sell my soul to feel alright as I rest my heavy head upon the floor. I strayed from home, my location is unknown, so I dress and steady tread towards the door. Found my way outside, blinking in the morning light. People talking, keep on walking, a sight for sorry eyes. These should be the best years of my life. Ooh. Well, it looks like rain as I tumble down the lane with a pocket full of nothing. I'm alone. Failed and applied to hitch myself a ride, and very soon I'm soaking to the bone. Yeah, dragging my weight around, trying to find a way through town. People talking, keep on walking, fighting to survive. These should be the best years of my life. Life is good, it is good to me, and it was meant for you to live and be free, to live and be free. Walk the path, take some time to laugh. Maybe it's been a while, but even try to smile. Have no fear for the time you're here. And if you don't know where to start, then follow your heart, follow your heart. Run, run fast. Learn from things that have passed, and know that
Alright, we're at Black Rocks now. We're gonna jump off. I decided to bring my good camera for Black Rocks because I'm not sure if I've actually ever showed you guys Black Rocks before. I know I've jumped off it in a video before, but yeah, we're gonna jump off. I'm so excited. Ray's gonna be so cold. Ray's Puerto Rican body is gonna be so cold.
Don't be making a porno now. What you doing?
What are you talking about? I'm a porno. I'm just filming. We don't even have a tripod set up.
I guess you guys are near the lake over there, huh?
What?
I guess you guys are near the lake
over there.
Well, Lake Michigan is so much warmer than Lake Superior is. So much warmer.
Just sand.
It's like bath water.
Yeah. We had like one cliff maybe, but it's all just sand really.
Oh my gosh. This way.
I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean.
I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window.
You've been playing my mind.
All right, we jumped. It was a bit of a shocker. It was cold. I was reading before this that Lake Superior on average only gets 39 degrees.
Are you kidding?
39 degrees on average. Normally, like in the summer in August, like the best month, I think it's like normally like 55, but still pretty cold. So we jumped. We're good. We're going back now. We're going to eat lunch with my mom now. Finally, I haven't even seen my mom. Good morning, everybody. We are at a rest stop right now. We're on our way home. We got up and drove an hour or so and let me sleep, which was really nice of him. So I just woke up. I think we're gonna maybe get some coffee or something somewhere and hit the road. Thank you, everybody. See you next week.